How to hide the last seen status on IMO. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from The Solution Guy, and in this guide video I will simply show you how you can actually hide your last seen status on IMO. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. First things first, you simply have to make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the IMO application to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in IMO, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app to the latest version. Once you've updated the IMO application, what we're going to do is we're going to simply go over and then open it. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account, and after you are logged in, you can see that this is how it is actually going to look like. Now what you have to do is on the very top left hand side of the screen, you can see your IMO profile, and all we have to do is select and tap on our IMO profile. And once we select our IMO profile, again you'll be able to customize the various options, and we will go ahead and tap on the gear icon which says settings. As soon as you select settings, what you have to do is at the very top on the third option you'll find this little lock icon which says privacy. So we're going to go ahead and basically simply tap on the privacy option. As soon as you tap on privacy, now in order to hide our last seen status, at the very top you can see this little button which says last seen, and currently it is set to my contacts, which means that only my contacts or who are contacts with me on the IMO application are going to be able to see my last seen status, such as when I was last active on the IMO application. In order to configure and then change that, we are going to simply tap on the last seen button. And since we're going to learn how we can make it private or how to hide it just from everybody or from the general public, we will simply select the option which is nobody. You also have the option to set it to everybody, or to your contacts, or to specific contacts, or to nobody at all. And hopefully this video answered your question. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.